Hi, my name is Gilles. I'm the culinary director of Renaissance Downtown. I'm in charge of the overall operation, so all our celebrity chef outlet. Tonight you are here in Bahar, which is our Middle Eastern modern brasserie, which serve authentic and true dishes, but with a modern twist. Chef Moana, super talented chef, which you're gonna meet a bit later on. We have developed a menu which you're gonna try tonight, a few dishes, and then we look forward to see you again in Bahar in a very near future.
The highlight of my night, it's a bizarre thing to say, was one of the starters. It was a parsnip, cumin and honey hummus. An amazing mix, complete modern twist on the normal Arabic hummus. It was stunning. I would definitely come back to Bahar. Beautiful.
Oh, my experience tonight was amazing. Really enjoyed it. Quite pleasantly surprised. Crossed everything from Moroccan, Lebanese, everything.
It was a very intimate setting, so it was nice we could talk about the food, we could interact with the chef, and the food was excellent. It was very good.
My favourite dish of the evening was the chicken poisson because it was full of flavour. It was amazing, the spices in it.
Loved it. Loved the vibe, loved the lighting, loved the outdoor deck. We're definitely going to be back to try the brunch.
Yeah.
And we'll definitely be back to bring friends.
Yes,
So,
yeah.
Love it.
I'm Chef Moana, the head chef of Bahar. I really enjoyed the night. It was great, nice atmosphere, nice people. Very good feedback about the food, about the place. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon.